Hello everybody, Anton is here. So before I decided to make the full functional vehicle design, it's really code. I did a test tutorial where created the whole kind of sketch. So I was looking for the ways to create stuff pretty fast and still that would look mechanically correct. So this is a pretty quick intro to Blender, and if you're somewhat experienced Blender user, you don't really need to watch it. Here I'm just jumping back into 3D code, exporting it as the OBJ, and it offers you the option to decimate or keep the current poly count. So if you click cancel, it will not decimate it, and you'll get 6 million triangles of the mesh. Or if you click OK, it will decimate it down to 3 million. So here I'm inside Blender, and I'll go input the model. So inputting OBJs that are that heavy usually takes some time inside Blender, and here doesn't look like it took any time. Well, it took me about 1 minute to import it because Blender is not yet great with the importing of the large objects. That's unfortunately the current problem with OBJ formats there. And the scale of the model is pretty nice. So because I used the mannequins and dropped it to 3D code and brought it back, the scale is pretty realistic here, about 2.5 meters in length. So let me create a plane. So pressing Shift A to do that, and I will press S then to scale it up. So it's been created in the where my action cursor was. So I'm just make it really super huge, drag it out. And then I'm switching to the lighting, and I'm just using Eevee because Eevee is great. Eevee is great to set up your initial lighting, and then you can switch to cycles if you need to get a bit more realistic one. And I'm just using the standard point light that we have there. Now switching to cycles, and it will get me a nice render with all the bounced light and global illumination there. And really, that's it. Not super in depth, but just gives you an idea that it's pretty good now. And I want to switch from Keyshot to doing stuff in Blender and supporting the whole community. It's kind of cool. And so go check it out yourself, and see you in the next video.